Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hyundai oil filter is probably one of the most important components for keeping your Hyundai engine running smoothly and efficiently, and choosing the right one can be confusing with so many options available on the market. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect oil filter for your Hyundai, ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. Number 5. K&N Select Oil Filter SO 1004. It's designed to safeguard your engine's health. This filter provides long-lasting protection, keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Enjoy extended protection for up to 20,000 miles. Always remember to check your manufacturer's recommended change intervals. It's highly effective at removing contaminants. This filter captures a remarkable 99% of particles larger than 30 microns. It works seamlessly with various oil types. Use it with confidence whether you have synthetic, conventional, high mileage, or synthetic blend motor oil. This filter's pleated synthetic blend media removes harmful contaminants. It helps maintain peak engine performance and extends its lifespan. It's rigorously tested to ensure top-notch filtration. You can trust it to deliver premium quality and reliable engine protection. What we like. It offers long-lasting engine protection, lasting up to 20,000 miles. Its high filtration efficiency ensures your engine stays clean. If you're looking for a filter that works with all types of oil and provides extended protection, this is the one for you. What people say. Premium build and easy to install. Combined with a KU0026N engine lifetime filter and good quality oil makes a great combo. The quality and reliability of this brand is exactly what I look for my daily driver as well as my project car. My mechanic appreciates me purchasing this style with the removal nut, wishes everyone would buy these. Change this U0026 my oil every 5,000 miles. U0026 no issues with engine, would recommend. Number 4. For Steed Motors Oil Filter Kit. This kit ensures your engine stays healthy. It includes everything you need for a complete oil change. These are original equipment manufacturer parts, guaranteeing quality and a perfect fit for your vehicle. The oil filter uses a unique blend of materials for better filtration and engine protection. Keep your engine running smoothly. This kit makes oil changes simple and straightforward. Everything you need is included in one convenient package. It fits a variety of Hyundai and Kia models. Check the compatibility list to see if it's right for your car. Remember to change your oil filter annually or with every oil change. Don't just change the oil, change the filter too. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It comes in a convenient 3-pack, saving you money in the long run. If you value authenticity and want a complete oil change kit, this is your best bet. What people say. Filters are identical to the ones I was picking up from the parts department at the dealership. These are authentic OEM Hyundai oil filters. Fit perfectly and came with a washer for each filter. Number 3. Hyundai 26320-3CAA0 Oil Filter. This is an original Hyundai oil filter, ensuring quality and reliability for your vehicle. It's designed for a perfect fit and superior performance. It's a direct replacement, making installation quick and easy. No modifications are needed, it seamlessly integrates with your engine. The filter comes in compact packaging, measuring 12.953 L x 7.366 W x 7.111 H centimeters. It's designed for easy shipping and storage. At just 0.136 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight. This makes handling and installation a breeze. This is an authentic original equipment manufacturer part, guaranteeing the highest standards of quality and durability. You can trust it to protect your engine. It's built to withstand demanding conditions, providing long-lasting protection for your vehicle's engine. Enjoy peace of mind with this high-quality filter. What we like. It's an authentic original equipment manufacturer part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. It's designed for a direct fit, making installation quick and easy. If you prioritize genuine parts and a hassle-free installation, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Perfect fit and worked well, easy to remove and install. This is an OEM filter, does the job. Original equipment for 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe 3.3L 6-cylinder. Number 2. For Steed Motors Oil Filter Kit. This kit ensures your engine stays clean and protected. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. It uses a unique blend of natural and synthetic materials for superior oil filtration. This provides enhanced engine protection. You get 3 oil filters, plus all the necessary O-rings and drain plug gaskets for a complete installation. The kit is designed for straightforward installation. Everything you need is included for a quick and easy oil change. Remember to change your oil filter annually, or whenever you change your oil. This keeps your engine running smoothly. It's compatible with a range of Hyundai and Kia models, including the Santa Fe, Sonata, Santa Cruz, and Sorento. Always check your vehicle's specifications to ensure compatibility. Before purchasing, it's always a good idea to consult your mechanic to confirm this is the correct part for your vehicle. They can help ensure a proper fit. What we like. This 3-pack provides great value and convenience. It includes everything you need for an oil change, including drain gaskets and O-rings. If you want a cost-effective solution with all the necessary components, this is the perfect option. What people say. Fits and functions perfectly in a 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz 2.5 LNA engine. Each filter comes with media cartridge, canister sealing gasket and plastic Allen head plug. All of the parts, filter drain plug and all gaskets fit, looked and assembled just like the original parts. Number 1. PG99602EX Oil Filter. It's engineered for premium protection, extending your oil change intervals for worry-free driving. This filter is designed for select Hyundai models. With its synthetic blend resin media, it provides long-lasting filtration for both synthetic and conventional oils. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's there for you. It captures even the smallest particles, ensuring your engine stays clean and runs smoothly. Experience superior multi-pass efficiency for optimal performance. The silicone anti-drain back valve prevents oil starvation during those crucial first moments, protecting your engine from wear and tear. It helps safeguard your engine's health. From freezing winter mornings to scorching summer days, it performs flawlessly. The silicone components ensure reliable protection in any climate. It's the ideal replacement for your Hyundai Elantra, Kona, or Sonata. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. What we like. It provides extended life, lasting up to 10,000 miles. Its ultra-efficient filter media ensures superior protection. If you want maximum protection and longer intervals between oil changes, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality and fair price. No issues with the housing leaking. Fits as required, all items in package needed. Better than OEM. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.